guys, and welcome to Boreas DIY YouTube channel. In this video I'll be doing a demonstration of how I plan to install my passion twists. These are DIY passion twists. I made them from Kenny here, and I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you have not seen the video of how I made these passion twists. I will also be announcing a giveaway of this passion twist at the end of this video. I have made a side part here, and then I've also sectioned out some hair on this side. So I have already moisturized my hands with some coconut oil just to make sure that my hands are not too dry. Next, I'm going to use some edge treatment gel. I'll apply some to my edges and around the sectioned out hair. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of the passion twist hair. So this is one of them. I'll hold it in the loop area, the area with the loop here, while I try to unravel the twist. So now the twist is unraveled and is ready to be used for the twist. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my hair and do a 3-strand braiding pattern. I try to secure the base as much as possible. When it's fully secured, then the 3rd strand, which is my hair, I'm going to add it to one of the hair, and then I'll start twisting. So for passion twist, the twist should be as loose as possible. I'm twisting in the left direction. So I'll basically keep twisting until I get to the edge. The coil should be as loose as possible. The twist should be as loose as possible to give it that nice bouncy effect at the end. Okay, so I'll finish up the ends this way, and the first passion twist is ready. Okay, so I'm going to continue the same thing throughout my head. this is the finished look, guys. I only used 94 pieces to make this hairstyle. So for the giveaway, I'll be giving away 100 pieces to one of my lucky subscribers. All you need to do to partake in the giveaway is just to be my subscriber and also follow me on Instagram at BoreasDIY. And also in the comment section of this video, leave a comment with hashtag BoreasDIY. Leave any comment and just at the end of your comment put hashtag BoreasDIY, and I'll know that you want to partake in the giveaway. All right, so let's get this going. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the hair. I absolutely love it, and I've had it for 1 week already. I'm doing this after 1 week of doing this hairstyle, and it's still looking this nice. Yeah. See you in the next video. Thank you. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.